Most people wait for the right time, the perfect moment, the perfect opportunity. But the truth is simple. Nothing changes until you do. Every dream you have, every goal you talk about, every life you imagine, it's all waiting on one thing: your decision to start. You won't feel ready. You won't feel confident. But you don't need confidence to begin. You build confidence by showing up again and again and again. Think about the future version of yourself, the one who's stronger, smarter, disciplined, successful. That version exists, but only if you stop choosing comfort over growth. Every time you push yourself a little more. Every time you stay consistent, even on the days you feel tired. Every time you take one more step when your mind says stop. You are becoming that person. So today, make yourself a promise. Don't chase perfection. Chase progress. Small steps become big changes. And one day you will look back and realize, this was the moment your life began to shift. Your future is calling. Are you going to answer? Or keep hitting snooze?